Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. It's day 8 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and I've got some really cool Drone Valley swag for you today. But before I get to that, what do you call a really old snowman? A puddle. On the 8th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a bunch of Drone Valley swag. That's right, we're giving away 2 sets of this swag to 2 winners. So you can enter the contest and 2 people are gonna win. What's it include? Let me show you. An official Drone Valley mug. These are extremely rare. We give these out every now and then, but it's a great little mug to drink your coffee out of or your eggnog or whatever you like to drink. Also, we're giving away a set of screwdrivers. This is a Drone Valley product. It's a beautiful set, a 48-piece bit screwdriver set that you can use to change the props on your drones or any kind of little work you have to do on your stuff. You can use these screwdrivers, and they're a wonderful set that has magnetic bits on the end of it where you can take them off and put them on, and it's got security bits in there. It's got tiny little Phillips heads. Every possible wacky screwdriver bit you'll need is in that kit. We spent a lot of time deciding which 48 bits should go in there, and we're pretty proud of that product. So you get a mug, you get the screwdriver kit, and here's the best part, you get a $50 gift card to the Drone Valley website. So we were going to pick a bunch of drone stuff to give away, but the challenge is if I pick accessories for the Mavic 3 and you're flying the Mini 3 Pro, it's no good for you. So we thought, let's just give them a $50 gift card. You can use that on the Drone Valley website and order whatever you want. So it's a pretty good deal. Now the contest couldn't be easier to enter. Basically, if you go down below in the comments, you'll find a link. If you click that link, it'll bring up a form. The form's going to ask for your email address and your YouTube username. Put both of those in there and hit enter. And after 7 days, what we'll do is look at all the entries. We won't look at the entries. We'll turn our heads and we'll pull 2 winners out of the entries that came in. And we'll send you an email saying, hey, good news. You won the day 8 of the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. Send us your address and we'll ship this stuff out to you. Now, I make the joke all the time that I don't care where in the world you live. And I picked on the US an awful lot. So I'd like to talk about a place off the coast of New Zealand. It's part of the Auckland Islands, and it's called Disappointment Island. Now, I don't know how you could be disappointed in an island. I think an island out in the middle of the water is a beautiful place, but apparently a captain pulled up to the shore, took one look at it and said, this island is a disappointment, and forevermore it'll be known as Disappointment Island. Anyway, that's off the coast of New Zealand. I'm sorry, my friends from New Zealand. I like New Zealand an awful lot, but that's kind of a wacky name. Anyway, you could live in Disappointment Island, New Zealand. I don't know if people even live there, but if you do, we'll get it to you. I don't care. We'll drop it out of an airplane with a parachute on it. But enter the contest. And again, after 7 days, we're going to pick a winner. Now, a couple of the contests that we've run already are still going. So if you haven't entered those, go back to day 6, day 7, all the way up to day 1 if it's still available, and enter those contests because there's a lot of great prizes. Now, we're in day 8, which means I've got 4 more days to go. And I'm telling you, I've got some amazing prizes in these last 4 days of the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. And I've gotten plenty of sleep, so I'm going to have a lot of fun with the last 4 days. I might even have a special guest or 2 join me on a couple of these 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas. I don't know. We're trying. We'll see what happens. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, actually until tomorrow, happy flying.